Hey everyone. I am here back with another fan. This one actually also came out of the lot from that dealership that unusual unknown came from, when that dealership used to be a furniture store and there was different rooms and different fans in different rooms. This little Encon spinner, well, I don't know if it's an Encon, it could be a Heritage, but the only thing it says on top is made in China somewhere on here. Yeah, it's hard to see it, but yeah, but yep, right there, somewhere in there. But yeah, it's made in some cheap spinner here, but it looks like an Encon. So this one is for sale. So anyone looking to buy this one, I will ship it. It'll cost you, I'm looking $15 plus shipping, so that's how much I paid for that whole lot. $15 a fan. There was a lot of these, but something like that. But talk to me, and but I'm gonna show you how this thing works. I already got it set to low, so it starts, and I seem to remember this a fan like this in my neighbor's house, you know, when I was a child, when I was little. This one neighbor's house my mom sent me over to when she had to work during, you know, summer months, when I was like not even kindergarten age yet. The girl kids that lived at this house, they had a white Encon like this in their bedroom. It could have been an SMC or a Heritage as well, but I can't exactly remember what it was, but it looked just like this, but white. It was white with white stencil blades. But yeah, this is kind of a slow low for a small fan. Usually smaller fans like this put out a little faster low, so yeah. This is not exactly the most impressive, powerful fan. This is not really powerful, but it's a cheapie. So let's do off, high, medium. Let's do medium. I'll show you medium. Okay. And yeah, this is almost like what a typical 42-inch fan gives off for a low, like a 42-inch hugger. A lot of them give off this for a low. I remember my Snoopy and Charlie Brown Peanuts hugger that I had as a child had this for a low. So, but yeah, this is not the most impressive, to be honest. Okay, here's high. Here is high. And even high is, it's not the fastest, and there's a little bit of a breeze, but just nothing too nothing impressive. It's, yeah, this is not exactly something I would really use, but that's me. But if you're looking for a cheap fan, just something to put in anywhere, this wouldn't be a bad fan, but it's for sale. So I'm gonna do a spin down right from the switch. We'll do spin down because we have to. mean, it has a spin down, so bearings are smooth, bearings are fine, there's no roughness to them. But, yeah, it's just not, to me, this is not the most impressive fan. This is one of them cheap spinners, so if anyone is interested in buying this fan, hit me up. My actual name is Peter Kassane, so yeah, hit me up and we'll definitely talk. Otherwise, thanks for watching.